Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Glam. So today I'll be sharing with you guys this rose gold eye makeup, which is at the top of this rose gold Huda Beauty Remastered palette. I'm kind of recreate this look, and in this video I'm just going to show you the eye makeup. This is kind of a yellow rose gold eye makeup. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. So first of all, I'll start my eye makeup by adding some concealer into my eyelids. So I have done my eyebrows and I have applied concealer and set it with some powder. If you're interested to learn how to fill eyebrows, then there is already a video up in my channel. Don't forget to check it out. Click on the I button to watch it. So in this video, I'm going to use this rose gold remastered palette to create my look. I have already done a review on this, so don't forget to check this out. Then first of all, I'm going to use henna in my crease line, and I will be blending with a fluffy brush in my crease. I'll be blending it until I am satisfied with the with the pigmentation. So I'll blend it in my crease very gently by back and forth, and then I'm going to add this color doll face next also in my crease line, and similarly I'll blend this out until I'm satisfied with the pigmentation, and I'll be blending it with the flat fluffy brush and some color in my lower lash line. You need to blend this out by back and forth. Then I'll be pick this rescue shade from this palette, and I'll be creating a yellow eyes. First I will stamp this color in my outer V and this, and then inner V, and then I will be join. Guys, if you do not have the same palette, you can also use any palette and just use this similar color that I am using. Okay, then next I'll be using this color Manitor. Wow, look at the name, Manitor, in the top of my crease line to give it more depth. I hope it makes sense. We trying to create a depth in the crease line by using darker and darker color, and I will blend little bit in my outer V and my inner corner as well. Next I'm going to use this color called Cocoa, and again I will place it in my crease line with a pencil brush, and also I will place some color in my outer V and my inner corner, and I'll drag them and create a depth. I'm also applying the same color called Cocoa in my lower lash line with this same pencil brush, as you can see. So guys, up next we're going to use this beautiful rose gold color in my lid. With the help of a finger I am using it. I feel it gives more pop in my eyelid, so apply only in the center, and if you are not satisfied with the pigmentation, you can reapply it. So the main motto of this eye look is use of this rose gold color, and this is the beautiful shade instead of I'm using this dupe palette. Next I'll add moon dust in my brow bone to highlight my brows. As I always say, don't use chunky highlighter to highlight your brow bone. Up next I'm going to add some white color Kajal as she applied on her waterline, and then I will be drawing a wing eyeliner, a dramatic wing eyeliner like she has. So guys, next I'm adding some concealer in my under eye area, and I will set it with some loose powder, or you can use compact powder as well, and I am blending this concealer with my finger. Then I'll curl my eyelashes and hold it around 10 seconds, and then I'll release, and I'll add some falsies off camera. After applied falsies, I am going to blend my natural lashes and my false lashes together with the help of this mascara. Then I am applying this mascara in my lower lash line very well. Mascara is always like a pop-up for your eyes. Don't forget to use it in your eye makeup. Then I have forgot to use some highlighter in my inner corner, so I am highlighting my inner corner right now. So guys, this is the finished close-up look, and this is looking gorgeous, and this is the finished look, you guys. Thanks for watching my video till the end, and if you have any request for video, eye look or review, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any doubt or inquiry about this video as well, you can mention in the comment section. And if you did enjoy this video and find this video is helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for further videos, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get updates about it. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. So till then, take care and bye guys.